Snap. Chat. Cook. Show. In VR. In regular R. Brought to you by a magenta glitter tie that my grandma hand knit for me. Episode 7. Some kind of Moroccan chicken. In memory of my dear friend Nick Shoemaker, who is still alive. Onions because they're the dankest. Couscous because sometimes you need to live a little. You used to be a sphere. Chicken thighs minus the bone. I'm Uma Thurman with the knife, boy. Didn't realize I already had turmeric. All of this on this smells like Christmas. There ain't no party like a double onion party. I had that chicken though. Meanwhile, in Walktown. This multitasking is hurting my brain. Time to take it to another brand. I'ma pull a Oprah. You get a raisin. You get a raisin. Big booty raisin for you.
I mean, whatever it's worth. I get up, I feel blessed. Straight up.